I guess we received these LED wall sconces for reviewing purposes, and I think they're quite nice because, well, they are metal made. They has the LEDs in this back part, and you can place them indoors, outdoors, whatever you wanted, and facing the way you want. If you want them like horizontally, you can put them like that, or vertically you can also put them like that, which is really nice. It's a package of 2. They come very well protected. It comes with everything you need to install them, which is quite nice. So let's go ahead and install them. I'll be placing them outside alongside my front door. So let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, they are already installed. They look really nice. I like a lot the way the black finish looks. They're really elegant. I just like to put them horizontally, but as I said, you can put them vertically or horizontally, depending on how you like it. But I think they look really nice. I like a lot. It's minimalist design, which is really good. So as you can see, they're quite nice. I will recommend them. So yeah.